Hello. Something that we are all required to do, not just if we are focusing on the key skills qualification, is to have the ability to read texts which are based on a range of different texts based on ideas and topics that we may be familiar with and be able to answer questions based on that text. So, how best can we go about that? Well, the key, as always, is to ensure you're developing the strength of your reading. So, once again, how do you do this? Well, we can think about decoding. So, use skills such as learning phonics, which is the sounds of letters, which helps to break the key words down into smaller sections. So, what you'll need to do is learn the sounds that the letters relate to, say them aloud in sequence, and that will give you the word itself. Word recognition. So sounding out words, so this use of phonics is a fantastic way to understand new words. But we all know there are many words which we see multiple times in reading. So with this in mind then, if we simply learn the word itself and can then recognize it every time we see it, well, this will speed up your reading and make you feel more confident. So words such as then, so, because, why. We recognize these all the time. So if we are able to then identify them, it speeds your reading and makes you feel more confident. Another thing to think about is to listen to audio recordings or watch television with the subtitles on, because that will help you to identify the key words and what they sound like when pronounced. It will also help you to understand how that word is used within certain contexts. But if you're asked to answer questions based on these types of texts, well, how can you do it? Well, read the question carefully and ensure you underline the key words such as what, when, how, etc. The question will also often have the key words you'll be looking for in the text in the question. So, for example, what time was a train will suggest that you are looking for the words time or train. You should then underline a sentence which has this information in to then help you create your answer. But again, the key to this, as always, is practice. The more we practice, the better we will get at it. So good luck with your practicing. Well done.